Okay, here we are. We're going to give a quick tutorial on custom design. We've left quick edit and we're in custom design. It's going to give you a few more features. You're going to notice the first thing is up here. You can have a ruler present. You can definitely zoom in and out. You can definitely align objects. What that is that if you click on, let's say, 3 objects, and then you click on align, you can align them. So this is to the page. I'm sorry. I made a mistake there, so I'm going to use this. This is an undo button. This will back me back up. So let's just say you move some stuff around and you have some stuff all misaligned. I can grab these 3 objects. I can tell it to align. I don't want it to the page. I want it to align to the selected objects. And then when you click that, you can click to, and it will align them up. So that's what some of these features here are for. This is for the horizontal flip. It means that you can flip stuff horizontal. This is obviously you can flip stuff vertical. This is your undo buttons. This is the remove buttons. You can use this. This will come up and ask you, and you can remove them. Make a mistake, just use the undo button. You can put it back. Obviously, the trash can mean that if you want to, let's say you want to remove this, say you want to remove this item here, you can remove. So another thing that you can do when you're on this object, if you want to replace this object, you can replace it. A couple of features that you will see when you click on object, you will see the layers of the object. And if you want to barely move it, you can use this to barely move things with. This has to do with rotating things. Then if you would like, you must click off this object if you want to add something different for this to show up. So let's say you want to add this object here. Obviously you're going to be charged for it, but you can't add another object. We do let you increase things, but you can only you can only decrease things so small, because when you do an engraving, you have to engrave. When you engrave, you can't make these objects real small. If you want to make objects real small, the best thing to do is that is more of a laser feature. When you laser objects on, they can go a lot smaller. This is all engraving. There's 2 kinds of things we do here at Frisbees. We do laser etching and we do engraving, and we'll have that in a different video explaining more details on those. But if I want to remove this, I could. And then if I want to come over here and I wanted to add another object in here, I could definitely come down here and I could put this object in here if I like. Okay, I did want to back up a second and talk about this design. But if you want to build your whole design from scratch, technically you could tell it to delete the whole design. And then you could go in and you could start adding text, your own text if you would like. So there's always that option that we do leave open. Really, if you're going to do that, you really need to be more in the expert designer. It's going to give you a lot more features to be able to do that. But for right now, we're explaining the custom design mostly. So then obviously when you have, I'm going to back up and I'm going to undo this, put this text back in. When you're in text here, this is obviously where it allows you to change the kind of font that you would like to use. Remember, we're limited on certain kind of fonts when you engrave. You don't have a lot of choices. Obviously you have some other features here that can be used. When it comes to adding extra verses, you can add extra verses. We do the first 50 for free, and you get the first 50 for free. And then we do allow you to add. You can shrink this down, but again, it's going to bounce you back to this. If you're working on black, you will have to change the color. That's why we'll go back to the text. And you have to change color. We only offer things in black and white, so then I can obviously put the text back to white. If this was a laser image, I could If I want to add a laser image to this, I can. I just have to actually go down here and pick out the size that I want, and this would allow me. So let's say, for instance, I want to add I want to delete this off, and I wanted to add my own laser image on this. If I want to add my own laser image on that, then I could double click on that. This tells us it needs to be in 300 dpi. I could go in here and I could upload my own laser image in here. I could upload my own laser image in there. It does cost extra laser etch. Then as we're going down here, and then you also notice it does increase the price. Obviously, when I go down and I take it back off, it drops the price back down. You can also go down here and you can also add a porcelain image. A porcelain image can also be added. You can also add, if there's a medallion that you want to add, say there's a particular kind of medallion, you can obviously add a medallion also. So there's some different features that you have with Custom Edit that you don't have in Quick Edit. I hope this short video helps kind of explain, kind of navigates you through some of the extra features that we have. Please feel free to call us if you have any questions or if you struggle in any area. We didn't talk about the back, but you do have a back that you can also work on. In Custom Edit. Thanks again. Feel free to call us if you have any issues or you need any help. That's what we're here for. Thank you.